Hey, this is Joe. We're still in Fort Collins today. It's a beautiful day and a beautiful car. This is a 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo Sport Turismo. I know that's a mouthful. The color is night blue metallic, same as that Cayenne hybrid that I had a little while back. It's absolutely beautiful. In some light, it looks super dark. It almost looks black. And in the bright light, it's a beautiful, beautiful blue metallic. This car is virtually perfect. It belongs to a good friend of mine who's actually just exactly the type of person you want to buy a used car from, because he's just meticulous about his cars. So he bought it with about 12,000 miles on it. He put the tint on it. He put the substantial PPF on it. I'll show you where that is. Basically, the car is obviously not a track car, but we call it the track pack. Anywhere that would be affected by debris coming off the tires. So here behind the wheel, here in front of the rear wheel, everything from the windshield forward is PPF'd. The front of the rear view mirrors, the cups of the door handles, and the A-pillar all the way back to here. He thought this out really, really well, because if you want to put a roof rack on, that roof rack rests on the paint there. So it's all the way protected with the PPF all the way back to here. This car had just about everything you'd want on the car. Of course, it has the cast iron brakes, not the carbon ceramics. And it had everything he wanted. It has the Porsche InnoDrive, has the sport exhaust, it has the power steering plus with the rear wheel steering, which is awesome, particularly on a bigger car. It has the two-tone interior with the, what is that?
Sweet gum interior.
Sweet gum interior. That's not mahogany. That's not walnut. That's sweet gum. Anyway, it's beautiful. We've got the all-weather mats on here. Literally, it is virtually perfect. I found one flaw on the inside. It's a little tiny nick on the leather here on the bottom side of the door handle assembly. That's it. Look at the condition of the bolsters here. You want to see the one fault I found on the outside of the car? It's under the PPF. Oh, now I can't see it. Right there, one little nick in the paint that the PPF was put over. Literally, it's that clean. Inside, it's just beautiful. We'll start up. Oh, the one option the car didn't have when it was delivered from the factory, sport exhaust. So guess what? My friend that owns the car, when he bought the car, he had it added. Not an aftermarket sport exhaust, factory sport exhaust, and then had it programmed to be added to the car as if it was brand new on the car. So the car has sport exhaust. It only has 24,000 miles on it. It has CPO left until, I believe, late next summer. And along with the car, we have available a Fidelity Platinum warranty at cost that goes till 2028 and 80-some-thousand miles. Now the wheels that are on the car now are the winter wheels. It's been in the snow once. Actually, the insurance was taken off. The owner of the car decided he wasn't going to drive it in the winter because it's just too nice. So these are the 20-inch winter wheels. They're the exact same style. I brought one of these out. These are the summer wheels. So we're happy to include either set. We're planning on including this set with a car and a super reasonable, lowest price we've seen on eBay sort of price for the winter tires to be added. Of course, the warranty is available at cost. What a spectacular car. So funny. I've been selling Porsches all these years, sold no Sport Turismos. This will be the third Sport Turismo this year. And I think this is the best of the three. It's just stunning, perfect, beautiful. I can't imagine a better everyday driver. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see the build sheet, if you'd like to see the Carfax, anything else, just give me a call. This is Joe, 720-382-6167 is my number. Thank you for watching.